Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer games to your PSP. First, connect your PSP to your computer using a standard USB cable. On your PSP, navigate to the Settings menu and select USB connection to activate the USB mode. Your computer should then recognize the PSP as a removable storage device, typically appearing as a new drive letter. This is the essential first step. Next, you'll need your game files. These are usually in ISO or CSO format. It's important to ensure you legally own these games for personal backup purposes. These files can vary significantly in size, often ranging from around 100 megabytes for smaller titles up to 1.8 gigabytes for larger, more complex games. Have your desired game files ready on your computer. Now, let's transfer those games. On your computer, open the drive representing your PSP's memory stick. Look for a folder named ISO in the root directory. If it doesn't exist, simply create a new folder and name it ISO in all capital letters. Then, drag and drop your ISO or CSO game files directly into this ISO folder. This is where your PSP will look for games. Finally, it's time to play. Safely eject your PSP from your computer to prevent any data corruption. Once ejected, you can disconnect the USB cable. Power on your PSP, if it isn't already, and navigate to the game menu. Under Memory Stick, you should now see your newly transferred game ready to launch. Enjoy your expanded game library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.